I come from Thailand, and this is 3 times a day. It's our main meal: breakfast, lunch, dinner, one in between. My name is Supha. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook using my homemade curry paste. Quick, easy, healthy, and fun. The green curry ingredient is bamboo strip, green bean, mixed pepper, onion, basil, red chili, baby corn, coconut milk, fish sauce, prawn, and of course, never forget green curry paste homemade by me in Supha kitchen. Let's go and have some fun once again. Cooking oil, medium heat, teaspoon of green homemade curry paste. This is portion for 2. Straight away you can hear that. So I cannot add coconut milk in to my sautepan first. Turn the heat up to high and just heat up the curry paste in the coconut milk and bring to boil. As you can see now in the sautepan, you can see the color start changing and the smell starts come out from the paste. It's just lovely and fresh. Green start mixed with the coconut milk and will become light green and look more creamy. Next thing, I will put baby corn in there. Mixed pepper go in. Onion go in. Stir as well. Leave to cook for, I say, just 1 minute. It not take long at all for all the vegetable to be cooked. Now we talk about the main thing. As you can see, the prawn I prep, I take the head off. I like to add the 2 whole one in there as well, because the flavor come from the head. It's good and give that sweet, fresh seafood flavor. And when you dish up in the pot, it look nice as well. So give a quick stir. As you can see, look at the color of the prawn. Soon it cook, it go pink. Ping, ping. Now look even more tasty. You don't want to overcook the prawn, so soon the color change. We will cook in there no more than 2 minutes with the prawn. With the green curry, it's not so thick like other Thai curry. You know, when it's more creamy. With green curry, I like a little bit more runny. So I can add 50 ml water into the pot. Give a stir. Now we have to taste our curry. Need a little bit salt and sweetness from fish sauce. If you like to make your curry vegan, take out the fish sauce and put in soy sauce. Teaspoon. And if you like more, after you taste, then you can add more. So now you can see the prawn. Lovely and pink, you can tell by the tail. And the whole prawn that I have in there, look at that. Does that look lovely? My belly makes some noise already. Last thing you put in there, fresh basil. It's just give you lovely, lovely flavor. Go and enjoy. Thank you for watching. You can serve the curry with rice, noodles, or even chips. Now you're cooking it real. Make in Plymouth with love and passion.